Alright guys, here it is. Just finished up the RVJet from range video. Um, right now running the 1.3 gigahertz. Let's see, standard build other than a couple of things I did different was I moved these control horns a little bit further on a better angle and closer to the hinge line. It seemed as though these pots where you're supposed to put the control horns was too far back behind the hinge line, so it's going to kind of overwork the servo a little bit. Other than that, I can't complain. It's a really nice material, nice plane, very well thought out, pretty good. I added right here. I cut a line and buried my UHF antenna. And I just used like an old credit card thing and a piece of tube, and then there's my GPS. And maybe you can see right here behind the connector on the control horn, I always try and put a little wheel collar as kind of almost like acting like when you double nut lock something. This way, if this one were to come loose and this one stays on, at least I can always pull the control surface up, which is the best position for the control surface. Got the standard motor on. If you can see, I've with the light, I've adjusted it to give it a little bit of a left thrust. So what I did was I put two washers between the motor and the motor mount over on this side, on the right side, to kick it this way, kind of to really counteract the torque. I've gone with, I didn't take the plastic off because I'm just going to maiden it, and then this way at least I'm not going to scratch up the lens right away on the maiden. So I got a regular board camera in there. I think it's a 650 line that I got from Security 2000 on the gimbal. This is a keychain camera. I have that hooked up to a video switcher. I don't know if you can see. Here's my FPV video, smart FPV video switcher, so I could switch between the two cameras. I have my failsafe set on my Dragon Link, set to, if I start getting failsafes, the camera kicks left. And then if this camera ever gets stuck, say the gimbal, for some reason the servo fails or something like that, I think it's just a good idea to have a video switcher so that I can go to another camera. And this just gives me a basic front view, so at least I'll be able to bring her on home. This got the receiver in here, got a little filter for the video. Right now I don't have my OSD from Eagle Tree in here. I had some issues with the OSD, had to send it back under warranty, and they're gonna see what's going on. Got the standard power pack with the 65 amp ESC. I just ran some wires here and here. I didn't really know where I was going to put everything. Now I have a better idea, and saw a couple of videos on placement, and it is what it is. I could have done a couple things different. I could have pre-burned with like a hot wire, the lines going out to the wing, make a tunnel and then feed the lines in, because this one's pretty much going to stay on. I'm just going to tape it, but with my antennas and stuff out there, this is the one I need to remove in order to transport the plane. So it's looking pretty good. We got on the underside, it's pretty clean. I got this on here, the skid. I didn't get anything for these yet. Maybe I'm thinking I might put some that no slip tape that they use on like stairways. Antenna coming out there. So that's pretty much it. I'm gonna go give it a test fly. Got room in here. I can put the two 5,000s in here. It's just that I'm gonna have to counterweight it probably back here, make some kind of weight. But then you got the ESC. I don't know what I'm gonna do just yet. I'm gonna see. Have to maybe make a removable weight system to maybe cut this out and have to put quite a bit of weight, you know. Yeah, you'd have to put like a big chunk of lead in there to counteract the two 5,000s. I don't know. I got some 3700s I might be able to put in sideways, and that'll keep the CG back. So this one has its own from the keychain. It's got its own power video, and this is the voltage regulator that Chris Stenson got a couple from him. And I just had this stuck in. Put some 2-inch Velcro if you can find. Get some 2-inch Velcro, really covers the area good. Just go to a decent hardware store and you should be able to find some. So that's that. Other than that, she's ready to go. CG's out. Right now I don't have the battery in her, but let's see without the battery. You can see it's right here, you know. So now you put the battery in and it drops up to here. So I have it with the battery and about right where they say. So we'll see how it goes. My biggest concern is the motor thrust, having the proper thrust angle so that when I throttle up it just doesn't like torque the whole plane sideways. That's my biggest concern. So we'll go out and give it a shot and see how it goes. Take care.